Hello, today we'll see how to implement of binary search tree travel cell. So first we have given a header files, and here we have given a user namespace std and struct node, and inside now here the flag bracket open. So inside the flag bracket we have given int data, and here we have given a struct node into left comma into right, and here we have given a struct node into n nodes int t, and struct node into temp equals to struct node malloc size of struct node comma temp is greater than data equal to t. Then here we have given a temp greater than left equal to null, and temp greater than right equal to null. Then it will return the temp. Then here we have given a struct node into insert a struct node into root int data. Then here we have given if root equal to null, then it will return the n nodes or data. Then if data is greater than root and root is greater than data, then here we have given the root greater than left equal to insert. Then inside the bracket we have given the root greater than left comma data. Else if the data greater than root and greater than data, then it will return the root. And in a while in order we have given inside the bracket struct node into root. Then here it was given if root not equal to null, then in order the root greater than left cout root greater than data we have given, and in order root greater than right, and in a wide pre-order the struct node into root we have given if root not equal to null, then cout the root greater than data, and here we have given a pre-order the root greater than left, and in a pre-order we have given the root greater than right, and here we have given a white post order. Inside the bracket we have given the struct node into root we have given, and if the root not equal to null, then post order in a post order the root is greater than left, and in a post order now the root greater than right, and cout the root is greater than data. Then in a wide level order node into we have given a node into root. Then if root equal to null, then here it will return the q is greater than q is less than node, and q dot push inside the bracket we have given a root. Then in a while case q dot empty equal to false, then here we have given a node into n equal to q dot front. Then in a cout we have given the n is greater than data, and q dot pop we have given if the n is greater than left not equal to null, then q dot push n is greater than left. Then here we have given n is greater than right not equal to null, and q dot push n is greater than right. Then in a int inside the main int ch comma data struct node into n equal to null, and here we have given a do. Inside the do we have given a cout enter the choice, and in a first one we have given first one is a insert, and second one in orders, third one pre-order, fourth one post order, and fifth one level order, and sixth one is exit. And here we have given a ch, and in a now in a switch case we have given in a case 1 enter the data to be inserted. If null equal to n equal to null, n equal to insert n comma data, else insert n comma data, and it will break. And in a case 2 we have given in order then it will break. And in a case 3 we have given pre-order inside the bracket we have given n, and it will break. And in a case 4 we have given a post order, and in a case 5 we have given a level order, and in a case 6 we have given you exited and end one, and we have given by default it will enter the valid choice. Now we'll run the code. So it has printed. So it asks to enter your choice. I will give 1. And it asks to enter the data to be inserted. I will give a 50. I will insert 69. Now I will insert 56. Now I will give here 2. So our elements I have inserted. So here it came 23, 50, 56 and 89. I'll give so now 3 also it came. So 50, 23, 89 and 56 it has printed, and it has, and we'll give 5 now. So it has printed of 50, 23 and 89 and 56, and now I will give 6. So you have exited and your program is executed successfully. So here I have inserted the elements. So here I have inserted the element. First I have inserted 50, and then I have inserted 89, then I have inserted 56, and then I have inserted a 23, then I inserted a 48, and then in order it has printed 23, 50, 56 and 89, and in a pre-order it has printed 50, 23, 89 and 56, and in a post order it has printed 23, 56 and 89, 50. Then in a level order it has printed a 50, 23, 89 and 56, and in a sixth it has exit, and the program is executed successfully. Thank you.